CCleaner has just re-released its latest version, version 5.47. Let's do the installation and go through some of the features. My recommendation, as always, is not to use the big button and simply install it. Use the Customize button. This will allow you to make whatever changes you want to see happen. In my case, I don't need a desktop shortcut. The rest of these things are fine. Again, don't just hit install when there is another option available. Go to where it says More. Here you have a choice. Install it for everyone that's on this computer or just for you. In my case, it's just for me. I really don't have someone else that uses this computer. Now it's okay to say install. We're going to bypass the release notes. Let's run CCleaner. Let's take a look at the options. And the first thing I want to look at is under privacy. If you don't want to share any information with Avast, then make sure that this box is unchecked. If you had version 5.4.6 and unchecked it in that version, this should still be unchecked as it is on my system. I don't need it to be resident, so therefore I have unchecked Run CCleaner when the computer starts. I do have it as an option in the recycle bin, and I'd like to be notified when a new version comes out. Under the advanced settings, if you're used to the old way that CCleaner used to report its results, make sure this is set to file list. By default, it goes to summary, and summary just gives you exactly that, summary, but it doesn't give you any details. I prefer to see the information of what's been cleaned, just as it always was in the past. At this point, you're ready to do some cleaning. Personally, the default settings to me have always worked. A couple of things under applications. Under the utilities, I don't allow it to clean anything out of Avast Antivirus or Windows Defender. The rest of the things, I just leave them as default settings. The registry portion of this, default is safe. Start making changes in here, and if you don't know what you're doing, you can wind up with a computer that will not reboot. Now, CCleaner does make a backup of the registry before it makes any changes. But if you've made the wrong change, and because of that now cannot reboot your system, that backup isn't going to do you a whole lot of good. Personally, play it safe, allow CCleaner to do its job, the job it was originally intended to do, clean up garbage. Registry cleaning should be left to an expert. And so much for CCleaner and the latest installation. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.